Charging on charger 2, dispenser 1, bus 3510. The blue and the red lines are the CAN communication inside the charger. Green line is the CP line communication between the charger and the vehicle. And black line is the internal 24 volt supply inside the charger. The bus is still waking up. So we started communication, and in state C, this is when I'm doing cable check. Now we're doing pre-charge, and we're charging. This is the time when the AUX inverter on the vehicle starts, and you can see all the noise on the CAN and CP line. I'm going to zoom into the time frame so that we can see the noise amplitude. We'll try to pause on one just so that we can see one of them. So that's sort of the noise. So the red again is CAN, blue is CAN, the green is the communication between the charger and the vehicle. So we can see the amount of ripples that we see in the communication.